हाँ, तो हम लोगों ने ये कर लिया था। देखते हैं हरिप्रिया भी ज्वाइन कर लेगी, तो एग्जाम स्टार्ट हो गया होगा। अच्छा, देखो अब मैं तुम्हें थोड़ा सा नया कॉन्सेप्ट एक बताता हूँ। इसको कहते हैं अपन कंडीशनल कॉम्बिनेशन। कंडीशनल कॉम्बिनेशंस मतलब नंबर ऑफ वेज can be selected from n different objects if k particular objects are number of ways in which r object can be selected from n different objects, जिसमें से k particular objects are always included. Easy है, बता सकते हो मुझे? Can you tell me what should be your answer? How to select r objects of which out of n different objects in which k particular objects are always there?
So we can create a group of those k objects and we can like remove them and the rest of the objects we can permutate.
No, select.
Let's select.
So the answer should be n minus k cr minus k. And the second one is never included. For this, the answer should be n minus k cr. What's the meaning of this first one? When k objects are always there, means it's because c, the k objects are already there. So you have to select only r minus k objects out of n minus k, because k are already there. And now if they are never included, then k objects you have to remove from the selections, and then you have only n minus k objects of which you have to select r different things. It was easy. Now the second formula is the number of combination of n objects of which p are identical taken r at a time. Number of combination of n objects out of which p are identical. Acha, they are saying how many such combinations that you can all the possible combinations that you can do is all the possible selections that you can do. See, take an R at a time means you can select this P are identical, they will be treated as one. Okay, so we have to do the selections from n minus p. N minus p, either we can not select even one object because it's up to us. We can select we can do no selections from n minus p. We can do r selections from n minus p, or one selection from n minus p. It's up to us. So the possible cases are n minus p c0, n minus p c1, n minus p c2, plus and so on, n minus p c r. But c, when but p we have taken as one, it's one counted as one, we will be multiplying it with this, so the answer won't change. It's the case when r is less than or equal to p. Now when r is greater than p, the formula will be n minus p c minus, means it will be starting from r minus p and move till 0. It will start from n minus p c r minus p, and then will move up to n minus p cr. Haripriya, only two formulas I have told till now. These two formulas. This first one, just look at this number of ways in which R object can be selected from n different objects if k particular objects are always there. If they are always there means no need to do selection of them. N minus k cr minus k, never included n minus k cr. Second one is number of combination of an object out of which p are identical, take an r at a time. N minus p c0, n minus p c1, n minus p c2, this one. Now let me give you some question on this. Right.
Sir, A55.
55. Wait, let me check. No, they're saying 78. In a 13 cricket player, 4 are bowlers. How many ways can form a cricket team of 11 players in which at least 2 bowlers are included? 4 are bowlers, na? At least 2 means the possible things are 2 bowlers are there, 2 bowlers, and then 9 batsmen. 3 bowler, 8 batsmen. 4 bowler, 7 batsmen. These are 3 cases. There are 9 cricket players. 9 4 bowlers are there. Then there will be 9 batsmen or the all-rounders, whatever. Now, how will you do selection? First will be done in 4C2 into 9C9 ways. Second will be done in 4C3 into 9C8 ways. Third will be done in 4C4 into 9C7 ways. Now this is at least either this or that we can do. That means the answer should be 4C2 into 9C9 plus 4C3 into 9C8, 4C4 into 9C7. This sum you should get as 78. Haripriya, see where did you do mistake?
Sir, I just did N minus K C of R next.
No, because they have given at least, na? At least was there. Either you can use 2 bowlers or 3 bowler or 4 bowler. Minimum is 2 bowler. You understood your mistake, na?
Yes, sir.
Then if you multiply this, na, you'll get the answer. 78 you'll get. What about others? Kanishka, Diva, okay? It was not difficult one. You will find sometimes the formula that I'm giving above, na, they have no relation with these questions. Because without using formula also you can solve questions using the logic, using your logic. It's not at all needed to remember the formula most of the times. Try solving this one.
So option C.
Option C. Correct. Repeat, did you get the answer? Kanishka, did you get the answer?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try solving this one.
Sir, is it 1024?
1024. Correct. It was easy, na? दिव्या तुम्हारा आया? कनिष्का तुम्हारा आया? ये क्वेश्चन
सर
तो
बस आने वाला।
ये क्वेश्चन मुश्किल नहीं था, ये तो इजी ही है। ये वाला देखो, इट्स 4 power 5 only.
So how will we solve this?
Huh?
So how will we solve this question?
This one,
Yes, sir.
it's very easy. How many ways can 5 prizes be distributed among 4 students? There are 5 prizes. Every student can take one or more prize. One or more means every student can take maximum of 5 prize. Oh,
I thought that they're saying one or more, so we cannot take any case where any student is getting 0.
there were 5 prizes distributed among 4 students. There are 5 prizes. Distribution of prizes is to be done. There are 4 students. Means each prize can be distributed in 4 ways. Okay, na? Okay, na? It's okay. Each prize can be distributed in 4 ways among 4 students, na? One prize, it can be given to one to either this student, either this or this or this. So 5 prizes can be given in 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 ways. Into 4 ways. That's 4 power 5.
Okay, sir.
It was easy. Each prize can be given in 4 ways. So 5 prizes can be distributed in this ways. 4 power 5. I think he was thinking in different way. If you think then in different way, then only you'll get wrong answer. Try doing this one.
So option A.
9. Not A. 9 persons can be distributed into 3 equal groups. 3 equal groups are there. It's like you have 9 different letters in which 3 are of identical kinds. How will you explain 3 equal groups? See how it is done. 9. There are 9 persons. So in the 3 equal groups, 3 groups are to be made. So each group should have 3 persons. Okay. Now how it will be done? Out of these, how you'll do it? 9 persons, you have to select 3 first. Suppose you have selected 3. You'll do it in 9C3 ways. Into, now when you have selected 3 persons, how many are left? 6 are left for this. So out of these, you select 3. Now, how many are left? 3. 3C, 3. This should give you an answer. Understood? 9 factorial, let me check the answer because they have solved in different way. 9
So
factorial
we'll
is
get 1680.
1680 we are getting.
So I think it will be 560.
560. But they are saying it's 280. We check it. 6 factorial by 3 factorial, 3 factorial into 3 factorial. They are saying it is 280. This is already 1. This will be cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 2, 3. This will be cancelled with this. 2 2s are 4 is cancelled. 3 is cancelled with this. 3 3s are 9 is cancelled. 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. 30. 56. I'm getting 280 only. Where you have done mistake? See, I'm getting the answer.
So you'll get 9C3 as I substituted it and then multiplied.
How did you do it? 9C3 value you have
So
found out first.
9C3 would be 1 minute.
7 into 8 into 9. 1 into 2 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 7 into
We'll
12.
get 74. I mean 84. And 63, you'd get it as 6 into.
63 will be 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. It's 4 into 5 into 6. 1 into 2 into 3.
20.
20. So 84 into 20.
You'll get 1680.
Ah. How? 1680, correct. How is it possible? Let me check. This is very different. 9C3 is 9 factorial. How it is possible? 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay.
So there should be some calculating error, I'd say, because you get 1680 even if you do it the way you've done.
The way I have done, you'll get 1680.
Yes.
Wait. The way I have done, six factorial is cancelled with 6 factorial, 3 factorial with 3 factorial. 1, 2, 3. Why?
So,
Got cancelled. 2, 2 cancelled with 4.
so 13 to 56 is 1680.
1680. Then its answer should be wrong. Why I have written 280? It's 1680, na? Then answer should be 1680 only. What they have done? 9 factorial. They also did the same thing. The answer is correct. 1680 is the right answer. (1680) is the right answer because in the answer they have written the number of ways are 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial whole cube. What we were getting actually, na? 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial whole cube, na? That's 1680. And they have written it is 280. Correct. 1680 is the right answer. You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Because Haripriya solved it right way. Kanishka, you understood or not?
Yes, sir, I did.
Dividing into the groups. I'll give you one more question of the same kind. A different kind. One is this one. This was as in IIT. And one question I'll teach you in of the rearrangements. Acha, after this, what will start? Coordinate geometry, na? Diva, what chapter is going?
The binomial.
Binomial.
Yes,
Okay. After this binomial we'll take, and after binomial we'll take coordinate. Okay. Or tell me accordingly. But after this we'll take binomial. So try solving this one.
So option B.
Option B. No, they're saying it's A. Why did you divide 4 factorial?
So in VMC they gave a formula for equal division. In that it was written that when we have equal division, we have to divide by the factorial of number of equal groups.
This is done when they are exactly same. The groups are exactly same.
Okay.
When the groups are different, na, because see, if you divide them into 4 groups, there are 52 cards, na. But the cards will be the groups that you will make will be different, na. One will be of spade, one will be of something else, one will be something else. If they were equal cards, then your answer would be correct. Divide by 4 factorial.
Their option A.
Option A. Understood, Diva?
Yes, sir.
They were actually exactly same. The groups were exactly same. You have to divide by 4 factorial. But if groups were not exactly same, leave it as it is. Means how do we say na? If I'll put a note here. If order of the group is not important, then mn different things divided equally into m groups. Then the formula will be mn factorial divided by n factorial whole power m into m factorial. This part is important. The order is not important. Means you can put the last order in the place of one or the first at the place of second. You can rearrange them like that. And if the order is important, it will be mn factorial divided by n factorial whole power n. These two formulas are there. Means wherever you want to put, it's not important. Wherever you keep, it's not a problem. In that means in that case you do not have to multiply. Means in the answer divide. When the order is important, means the first place is important, reserved for the first group. Then this case, in this case, order is important. because you cannot, when you have given 13 cards to first person, you cannot just give the second person 13 cards to the first one. They are not the same. 13 cards of first person will not be same as the 13 card of second person. That's why the order is important. You have to do like this. Try solving this now. Anyone got the answer?
So none of these.
No. No.
Sir, 200.
200 is the answer. Do you want me to solve? See. Question paper is divided into two parts, A and B. Each part contains 5 questions. Okay. So there are 5 questions in each part. Number of ways in which candidate can answer 6 questions, selecting at least 2 questions from each part. He has to answer 6 questions, 2 from each part. At least 2 questions from each part. Then part A and part B, 2 from A, 4 from B. Then 3 from A, 3 from B. And 4 from A, 2 from B. We can go still lower. No, only these 3 cases will remain. Yes, because it's given, we have to select minimum 2 questions, at least 2 questions from each part. From B also, if we select 2, 3 or 4, it's possible. From A also 2, 3, 4 is possible. So this way we'll get 5C2 into 5C4, 5C3 into 5C3, 5C4 into 5C2. Because these are or possibilities, this or this or this, we have to add them. So our total answer should be 5C2 into 5C4 plus 5C3 into 5C3 plus 5C4 into 5C2. This should be our answer. This sum that you'll do, you should get 200. Okay, Diva?
Yes, sir. I didn't take the last case. Why I was not sure.
Because at least is given, na? Means you can take 2. You forgot the last one. Okay, no doubt for anyone. Let's end it. In the next class, I'll tell you few more concepts. 2 concepts are left. One dearrangement problem and one this one. Figures are there, geometrical figures on these, and after that we'll start. In the next class itself, we'll start the new topic. Binomial theorem.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.